Welcome to our channel, Dinopedia. Today, we're going to make a mountain out of kinetic sand. So first, you get a big scoop of like this, and then you like make it, and then you like squish it together. Then you like pat it. You could also use a knife. But be careful, it should be if your parents say it's okay. Because don't use a real knife or it might hurt you. I am using a butter knife. So it won't hurt me. Okay, so if you want to use a knife, you should like make this part clean and stuff like this. Then like squish it together again. And then pat it on the top. The top shouldn't be like too curved like this, but it should be curved like this, but not too curved. You could use the knife to pat it. Now you should just like curve it like this. See, and then like make it clean like this. Okay. Now you like this. Now you make it like this. Now that you have it. This is how you make a kinetic sand mountain.